Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video for you guys. This is the second video from the wedding series. If you haven't seen the first video, you can just go up here, watch the first video, then come back here and watch this video. Now this video is for all the new brides out there. If you've just recently gotten married, this video is for you guys because this is very simple, very minimal yet standing out video for you guys. So if you want to look like you're a new bride, of course you will have that glow, you will have those accessories and everything that will make you pop out from the crowd. But if you are looking for a makeup that will stand out from the crowd, this is the right video for you. I will try to make sure to use least amount of products and use more of my hands to do my makeup, because let's just face it, everything that's there out on the internet, we do not have to buy it, we do not have to invest in it, and there are pretty much a lot of girls out there who don't want to invest in things like that. So I'll try to make this video as simple as possible for you guys and use least amount of products with simple techniques so that you can recreate this look. So if you want to see what I'm going to create today, please stay tuned and keep watching, and also do let me know in the comment section what do you think about the video. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel right away and keep watching. So I'll start with a makeup fixer. This will make sure that I have a dewy base to start with. And if you're a new bridey and your skin has been through a lot in the past 4-5 days, this is a product that I highly recommend you trying. Second, I will go in with a highlighter on the high points of my face, directly place it on my skin, and then just I'll blend it out with the help of my fingers. So you can always skip this step and use some highlighter with your moisturizer just to give it a little dewy base. I just went all out today and I wanted a super dewy base, which is why I used some highlighter on my bare skin. I'm gonna start by using Nykaa foundation. This is one of my first foundations that I bought, and one of the foundations that I absolutely love. And usually when I go out, I use this foundation because this is very light to medium coverage foundation. So as you can see, I'm just blending it out with the help of my fingers, not using any beauty blender or brushes to do that. You can absolutely go ahead and do your makeup with the help of your fingers. Do not let other people tell you that you have to only use beauty blenders or brushes to do your base makeup. You can very much use your fingers to do your makeup because it helps the foundation sit in place beautifully. Next goes in my brows. So I absolutely cannot live without doing my brows. Even if I haven't used any base makeup, I need to do my brows. It is that essential now for me. So I'm very lightly going to fill my eyebrows just for them to look very natural and not very made up. So to set my face, I'm going to use this compact from Maybelline, and I'm going to do that with the help of a fluffy brush, and I'm just setting my T-zone on my eyes. At this point you can totally use a puff that comes with the compact, and if you feel your cheeks are a little too oily, you can do that, or you can even set your face with a translucent powder, whatever's available. Now once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit just to bring back the warmth in my face. Now while bronzing, I'm gonna make sure that I bronze up my cheekbone, my forehead and my jawline, and I will not forget my nose because I need some serious contouring and bronzing for my nose. Now I'm gonna take this lipstick from Oriflame and I'm going to place some on the back of my hand, and I'll pick it up with the help of a beauty blender and place it on my cheekbone and the temples of my face. And I have come to realize that beauty blenders work beautifully for me when I want to apply blush, because there's not a lot of blending that I need to do. It just sits very beautifully on my skin when I use the blush with a beauty blender. Now I also use blushes with my fingers. I use some lipstick and just blend out that with the help of my fingers. I also do that, so you can always go ahead and do that as well. Once that's done, I'm going to use these two lipsticks, and with the darker red lipstick I'm just going to outline my lips, and with the one that's lighter I am going to fill in my lips. Off lately I've been loving the monochrome looks wherein I use the same color blush and lipstick, so which is why I thought I will just use the same color blush and lipstick. That is where I do not have to think a lot to mix two colors together on my face, and it just looks pretty good. Trust me, it does look pretty good. Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush to place some bronzer on my eyelids. This is the same bronzer that I used for my face. So what this does is it ties the whole look together. When you use the same colors on your face for different things, it kind of ties the whole look together. So once that's done, I'm going to draw a very thin liner with this Maybelline gel liner. If you're a new bride and you're looking out for a gel liner that's affordable and that lasts a long time, I highly recommend you doing this. Like, just try this, it's amazing. It's just amazing. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and use loads of mascara, because mascara is something that I cannot really live without. If I have to step out of my house, I will use some mascara. Yes, eyebrow product, mascara and lipsticks are three main essentials for me when it comes to makeup. I know we have used the highlighter earlier, but we're gonna use it again because a little more highlighter hurt nobody. So I'm using the same brush that I used for bronzing for highlighting as well. I am just placing a little amount of highlighter on my face. Trust me, I did place a little bit on my face. It's just that I have done a very dewy base, which is why it is popping so much, and I'm absolutely loving my base at the moment, how it looks right now and how blended and seamless it looks. Oh my god, I love it. Absolutely love it. So with this we complete the look, and this is how the look has turned out. So if you happen to try this look, please do let me know, you guys, and please do comment, and please do let me know what kind of content would you like to see. Thank you so much. Bye.